Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIE based home school. This is Sonia Joya, assistant teacher of National Italian University School, Morning Shift, Dhaka. Today I am going to take an English class for a student of class nursery students, and our today's topic is small letters I to P. Look at this board my dear students. This is class nursery, subject English, and your today's topic is small letters I to P, and this is term half yearly 2022, your lecture number 6 and your homework number 4, and this is your teacher Sonia Joya, and this is your teacher's mobile number, and this is today's date. So my students, let's start out today's topic. Look at the board my dear students. Here is small letters I to P. Small letters I to P. So first letter is I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Look at the board my dear students. When we start a small letter, we use first two letter. But some of the letter we use first two letter and touch last letter. First two letter, obviously you have to touch this last letter, like J, I, J, K, and some of the letters like K, you will start from this first line. And this second line. Okay, so some of the letter we use first line, and some of the letter we use and last border line, first border line and last border line, like J, K, L. First border, we start from first border line to this second line. M, N, O. These three letter we write middle of these middle of these two line. M, N, O, P. And P will start from first line and end with this last line and last border line. You will start this first two line and end at last border line. And again I am saying I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. When you write your small letter, you have to maintain these writing rules, like first two letter, then touch this last border line and start from first border line, and this K also start from first border line. M, N, O, you'll write this M, N, O, this middle two line, and P start from this first two line and end at last border line. So again I am saying I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Again I am saying I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. And my dear students, listen to me carefully. When you do your homework, you will write only 4 letters in each line. You will write 4 letters in each line. Not more than 4 letters or not less than 4 letters. You will write only 4 letters in each line, like I, J, K, L. I am writing 4 letters in each line, and second line I write 4 letters. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Again I am saying I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Again I am saying I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So my dear students, this is our today's topic, and your homework number 4, and small letters I to P. Look at the board, your homework number 4 and small letters I to P. And my dear students, you have to mention homework number On your HW copy, you have to mention homework number on your HW copy, and your HW number 4, small letters I to P. So my dear students, this is our today's topic. So my dear students, this is our today's topic. See you again, inshallah.